What's the problem?
I'm making sport, lad.
Take 7. Hey, so what's happening here?
No, start again.
Barry, I didn't like the baby.
Right, so it's a big day today.
Big day. This is the start of a night. This is going to be a good episode, Craig.
Yeah.
This is the. So you would have seen your car, yeah? Jesus, I better keep me on the fucking hold.
Jesus Christ, they nearly killed us.
Actually, before we say any more, the last time we had the camera here, we were in the koi truck.
Jeez,
Yeah,
don't bring us back to that. Actually, I know I loved it. I was loving life.
Now we're slumming in our van.
With a flat tire.
It's a bit soft. But, so yeah,
now we're going to collect my car and paint.
Yeah.
That's right, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going to try and sneak. We're going to try and sneak the camera into Rick's place. Yeah, because it is 4 o'clock in the day. Half the trade like tonight, it's hard to get Rick in good form.
But yeah, so we're going to see my car, and I think we need to try get Darren's reaction to it, because he wasn't the biggest fan of my choice.
He was changing his colour, changed his mind in the colour every single day, and then when he kind of found 1 or 2 colours that would definitely suit the car, he decided to go against it. So I know this colour is going to be nice.
But the way you seen it earlier wasn't the way it is now.
I seen it before it got lacquered.
So I'm looking forward to going seeing it myself now, because it's a BMW colour it's based off, but Rick made it.
Yeah.
Custom. He put a few more tinders and stuff like that into it. So it's actually a custom colour.
Yeah.
But it's based off that colour.
He probably just made a mistake.
He probably just made a mistake. Yeah, so let's go to Rick's now and see what we think.
See what we like her.
Yeah. So I like it.
Yeah. Right, we just snuck into Rick's place.
Right.
Pushed. Okay, go. You see this camera you're giving out this? Oh God! Jesus, Craig, she looks well.
Oh, I like that.
I actually have to say,
Yeah.
I proved myself wrong. Hey, Richard! Richard! Look, Rick, it actually looks it looks very well. I even said, like, hey, if I didn't like it, I was just going to pretend to like it. No, I have to say, it looks
Darren's
nice.
whole thing was he thought it was going to clash with the 335.
No, it wasn't straight away.
Green.
No, my whole thing, Craig, was, that you had a colour, solid colour that you chose, and then very last minute, 10 minutes before you painted, you changed mine. That's the thing.
See, we've never done a metallic
Yeah.
in a Pandem car. So.
Yeah. Anyway, we better get out of here before Rick fucking flips the lid. I think. Sneak walk by Richard. Well, let's go. You're doing a heck of a job there, Craig.
Thanks for themselves.
There's Craig's alloys. Do you know what size of them, Craig?
18 by 11 minus 22 on the back.
Right.
And then 18 by 10, 0 on the front.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Big old wheels. The back ones are big, aren't they?
Yeah.
You have to run a spacer with them as well, yeah?
I have 50mm space in the back of my car.
Oh, for Jesus' sake.
Well, I have a 50mm space in the back of my car, but a 30 would do 'em. You know?
Yeah. But they're not going to be pokey, they're just nice.
They poke a little bit, but they're just nice.
Yeah. Very good. Right, our next job is to get the car in.
Yeah.
Right, so
Rick wouldn't let me get it today.
Wouldn't else?
So I'm very upset with you, Rick. Do you hear me, Rick?
Yeah, Richard. So we're going to collect it in the morning, but it doesn't matter. You can get your wheels already. And also you have your interior, a full new black leather interior for it.
Yeah.
So get that in here tonight as well. Get it all cleaned up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we have to convince Darren that he wants 2 new seats for his 335.
Craig is trying to rob me seats, right? So, the usual. Huh? Craig wants these bad boys. Okay, what are these out of? On the court. And what are the ones out of Porsche out of?
An Evo 7.
Evo 7, see that? Porsche, Beamer, Jap seats. Actually, do you know what, Craig? Just come to think of it here now. There's a beautiful set of seats there you can actually have you on. Yeah. Actually, you can have them for free.
You don't even need seats, mate. You're going to drive it.
You know what? I'm just going to give the people what they want here again, Craig. Like, just going to do a little walk around the beat while you're polishing your wheels there, right? And there's the. Sorry? The what?
You're obviously editing this video as well. So
Yeah, I'm going to edit this video. I'm doing all the editing of the videos now. I actually wish I was able to do it. There's that exhaust. Okay, so something we have to do something with that exhaust, right? Anyway, that's nearly a wrap here now. Is it? Oh, Rick is in the big Corolla. €20 ticket for the old GLANZA. Craig, this video will be going out, yeah?
Yeah. No idea when.
On Monday?
No.
No? No. Okay. I was just going to say, don't forget our little GLANZA for €20. Right there. Craig's car just walking back there now, she did. He's not even here himself. She's looking well. She sounds well. Yeah, that works, David. That's grand, yeah. You'll be happy with that. Dave was just just tracking, wasn't to make sure she's good.
Yeah, the tracking was a little bit off. The wheels look a bit the camera too much. I actually can't see where we're going now as well, so.
Straight back. Right, start locking her down. Tight there. Just turn it a small bit. Watch she doesn't, just go. Big day tomorrow for her. Fucking yard still full of smoke.
That little hammer there.
Oh, watch me out, rubber hammer. Hold on like that. I'm going to do it the way they do it on YouTube. That's for you. So, how was your experience on it, Dave?
It's fast.
What happened there? Your fucking clutch slipped or something, was it?
I don't know, I think caliber or something stuck in the front of it.
Because the back wheels, loads of smoke coming in the back wheel, and I got real worried, and I was shouting to you, "Stop, Dave, stop!"
Maybe it's the back caliber that's stuck and there's just steam coming out the brakes because it's been raining last week.
Jeez, he's only have to get the wheels refurbished now, hey? They're the wheels for her.
Yeah, right.
He spent the whole night last night polishing these, yeah? Do you know how he polished them?
Yeah. Oh, you see, he put them on the golf.
Put the wheel on the front of the car, put in the first gear, and sat beside the wheel, just wiping it with a cloth.
He must have fucking did he put a spacer on onto the golf and then put them onto the golf then?
Oh, I don't know.
Is there probably one for?
Don't know. Don't know. Good idea, but. Anyway, we wait till then. Here's Keith. Hey, you wouldn't hoover the beetle there, would you? Hey, will you have the hoover in your hand?
Yeah, over the shad.
We wait for Craig lad to come now. I was going to say, don't say fuck all about what happened there. Remember the mistake that happened in the back wheel?
Oh, yeah.
But she'll probably see it.
Yeah,
because he has to edit the video.
He'll see it first.
Craig lad now. Richard, here he is. So he only has seen it in your place, he hasn't seen it.
No.
But he's had to been away for the day. Had to be away for the day, so we might get a little reaction on his face, you know. gonna do what they do on YouTube. Show me hand. A little lemon. Hand wash. Hi, Craig! Rick, we missed the fucking thing!
It didn't work.
Rick, 5 out of 10 for effort anyway.
Thanks.
Well, Craig, what do you think?
You alright, Craig? You're looking really tired.
Hard day in the office,
Really
Craig.
tired, but I really do love my colour.
That's good.
What do you think, Darren?
Looks great. Well, let's stop the what do you think, Darren? I'm happy with the outcome. I was just worried at the start. Because, right, here, there's the tax from the van. So that's what we are going off. She looks well, Craig, doesn't she?
Seemingly.
What's that?
Seemingly.
Any runs on her, Rick?
No, not one.
Any flies?
No, not one.
Right, Craig. Look it. What are you doing? What? Not the fuck, huh? Right, I did say, okay, that's it till the morning, but sure, we had to show the wheels. Craig couldn't couldn't wait. So, Rick, what's we come up with the new colour. So, that's Bingo's blue. Yeah. David's old original colour, Gary's green.
Yeah.
So what's Craig's new colour?
Oh, Rick's rip-off blue. I got a nice BMW colour. And
Tweaked it.
I modified it.
Very good.
So I ripped it off and I made it nicer. Have to say it's nicer.
I think it's called Rick's rip-off colour. It's because the fucking price he charges paying fucking cars. But you pay for what you get, Rick, don't you?
For quality.
Pay for quality. Oh, there's Carl. Actually, just while we're here, there's Carl. We're dropping the koi truck off him tomorrow.
So, it is 12:41 in the night time, and obviously the E46 came back from paint today. So, what I've been doing is stripping the interior out of the car, and like, you'd say, "Oh, Craig, that's easy." No, it's not easy. That's what I've got done in started at 6 o'clock, and it's now nearly 1 o'clock, and that's what I've got done. So the lads are coming down in the morning, and we're gonna get this thing assembled. So we'll catch up with everyone in the morning, won't we, Kyle?